Most people waste months uploading faceless videos that never make a dollar. But in this video, I'll show you 3 powerful YouTube automation methods, step by step, that can start earning without you ever showing your face. Let's get into it. YouTube automation simply means building a channel where you don't record or edit everything yourself. You use tools, stock footage, and freelancers, so your channel runs like a business. The real secret is choosing the right niche and system from day one. Step 1. Pick a hidden high RPM angle. Everyone says finance or tech, but here's the twist: go micro. Instead of a generic finance channel, make credit card hacks for students or AI tools for freelancers. Narrow niches attract loyal viewers and higher paying ads. You can research RPM with free tools like Social Blade, or just check which keywords have high ad competition in Google Ads. Step 2. Build faceless content with zero filming. Here's how. Use stock footage from Pexels or Storyblocks. For voices, skip robotic AI. Use human-like tools such as 11 Labs, or hire cheap voiceovers on Fiverr for around $10. For editing, CapCut and Canva templates speed things up. Your goal is quantity and quality. 3 to 4 well-scripted videos a week is enough to trigger YouTube's algorithm. Step 3. Monetize smarter than just ads. Ads are slow. To earn faster, add affiliate links to software or products in your niche. Offer digital downloads like checklists or mini guides, or even grow an email list directly from YouTube. This way, you're earning even before you hit 1,000 subscribers. Now here are 3 pro tips most beginners miss. Number 1. Longer videos win. Aim for 8 to 12 minutes. More ads mean more revenue. Number 2. Repurpose content. Turn your YouTube scripts into TikToks, shorts, and blog posts. More reach equals more income streams. Number 3. Use YouTube's own data. After 10 videos, study your analytics. Double down only on topics with high retention. Stop guessing. You don't need to be a YouTuber. You need to be a channel owner. Treat your channel like an online asset. Build it once, optimize it, and let it keep earning while you focus on scaling. If you're ready to actually build your first faceless channel, watch the playlist I've linked right here. It breaks everything down step by step. And hit subscribe so you don't miss my next automation strategy. Don't just watch, start building your income channel today.